Yo guys, it's Yakes back again with another video. This is Diary 4. With this one, you guys will not be able to see my face. I do not know where I put my tripod, but it's missing. Like I don't know where it is. So I don't really have anything else to put my phone on. So like yeah, I'm just gonna screen record and just make a video of a trade that I caught. Took it on Friday and it's closed today. I made 1.7k. I'll put a screenshot as well. Yeah, I mean it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I'll just let you know how I even did it and how I even came and all of that type of stuff. So let's get it cracking. I'ma explain the strategy as best as I can. I am not a good explainer, but please just try to understand, right? And if you guys want to know like more in depth of it, it's not something that I've made up or whatever. It's just basic knowledge and basic market structure. But someone that explained it properly to me is Trades by Sai. Go on his YouTube, he will explain everything. But I want to try to explain it to you guys as well because obviously I use this strategy and I'm not gonna lie, it's probably one of the best, most simplest strategies that I ever came across. Like this is the most I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Like ever since I've started it, this is what made me profitable. So yeah, let me just show you how what my thought process was with this trade. So it was a silver trade. I got into silver. So basically what I'm seeing here from this level right here, you can see that price sellers are in control around this area, right? You can see where price was doing a lot of high lows, touched the all-time high, had a mad rejection, tried pull up. It wasn't it didn't confirm that it was still a bullish trend. It made a lower high and had a massive fall down from this level here. So I marked this area up. It's you don't have to look this far, by the way. It's just something that I was looking at just to get in an easy trade, just to try grab the all highs. So this was kind of, I wouldn't say risky. It was kind of, yeah, on a riskier side. You feel me? So yeah, you can see where price was. So you can see there's lots of sellers, right? It pushed price all the way up it down here, and then it tried to continue up. Buyers was on this level right here. So now with price, it's doing a lot of high lows, high lows. It's retracing back up. So but what you see price did is it stalled and it broke above here. So that's indicating to me that price, there's a lot of buyers up here. So when price goes up above here again, it's gonna be set for buyers, right? So this big move down seems like a bearish movement, right? It is a bearish movement on the 1 hour. Low high, low lows, low high, low lows. But if you go on the 4 hour, you can see that price is just doing a pullback on the 4 hour. It's just a pullback, right? Where price pushed up from here, this is the last lower high. All of the small candles is just little rejections. It's not counted as a lower high. It's been pushed up all the way up here, indicating that price can go higher up above this level, came back down, gave it another lower high to push back up. So what I did is I go through all the time frames, right? I go from the 4 hour, sometimes even a daily. It depends where the trend is more visual, right? So on the 4 hour, you can see a clear trend of high highs and high lows, right? Is a bullish trend. So I'm just looking for buyers right now. So it's doing high highs, high lows, retracing back. So when I seen price around here, it was like on a Friday, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be risky, get an early entry, make my stop loss very tight. I entered on the 30 minute anyways, so it's like the same. So the same stop loss as for if I was to enter on the 1 hour. So bigger stop loss. I mean, yeah, on the bigger time frame, the stop loss is better. So it's more, it's got more strength into it. So you can see I entered early right here, right? I entered early. waiting for Sunday. Sunday it started booming. So I know when price goes above this level right here, I was gonna enter again, just to scale it in. So yeah, it just exploded. It went all the way up here. I put my stop loss around here because I just wanted to be like safe. I'm growing my account, so I just wanted to be safe. It stopped me out over here, but it still smashed my TP. So it feels good, It feels good that sometimes, I don't really have to hit my TP to feel good. It still went the direction that I thought it was gonna go, and it still hit my TP. So I'm not stressing, man. I'm not stressing. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. Everything went smooth. Yeah. So it's just as easy as that. I'll try to explain it again. You know what I'm saying? You can see under this level that there's very much sellers, and it pushed price down. So knowing that, this is count as this is where something I'll mark up, and then from down here, this is where the buyers are at. So this is where I'll mark up. Like these are just like areas where there's lots of buyers and lots of sellers. So when price got to that point, it either pushed up very hard or it pushed down very hard. That's where you mark it. Like it doesn't have to be this wide, this big, right? It doesn't have to be this big, but like it made sense to me at this point, right? So you can see price pushing down. It came back up. It broke above this level. It broke above this level, indicating that price can go higher above this level right here. So when price came up here, it rejected down, correcting itself, came back down. If you go on the higher time frames, if you go on the higher time frame, hold on. It literally done a huge explosion, made a high, then a higher low, then another high. So I'm just catching it when it's making another high, trying to target the next high. But if price pulls up above it, then it's another trend. The trend is not over. That's how you catch trends. I hope I really hope I'm explaining this properly. I swear, I actually really hope that you guys will understand that this is simple market structure. It's so. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you to Trades by Side again. I'll be so real. I don't care. I will glaze that man to the end, bro. This guy puts out shit for free. I watched it. I watched his course 3 times. 3 times. I didn't even take no notes, no nothing, because I was trading before, so I kind of knew like everything. I don't know what was wrong, but he made it so simple and easy. I'm like, bro, there's no fucking way that this shit is this simple. And bro, like, it's all about patience as well. I'm not gonna lie, like, you need to confirm like the trend is there, or the trend is staying. Like, you need to confirm it. You shouldn't be trading a lot. Like, even I'm not gonna lie, if this was last week, I'll be annoyed. Like, I'll be so pissed off that it hit TP, and it didn't I got stopped out before hitting my TP. But I'm not gonna lie, like, from them times, like just last week, yeah, I mentally prepared for the weekend, for this week, because I wanted to come back stronger. And yeah, I'm waffling. I'm yapping. I went off subject. But yeah, nah, I'll be so real. Just this shit is easy. Trust me, man. It's not. It is easy, but it's easy, bro. It's easy. It really is easy. The skill set of it is easy. It's just the mindset and the psychology bit is the hardest part. I'll be so real. I struggle from it sometimes. From time to time, we're all humans, We make mistakes. Like, look, price can still be bullish, but I ain't gonna enter. On this. Like, I need proper trend confirmation. Maybe catch a reversal. I don't know. Like, I need something. So like, this was like a perfect setup. Look how fucking clean that was. Look how clean that was. That's a perfect setup. perfect setup. And no, I'm not waiting the whole time to catch a trade like this. This is from what? This is from December the 26th, 29th. And now it's January. I'm not waiting this long. Like, obviously I caught trades in between here, whatever, but this is just how this is just a perfect nice trade. I ain't gonna lie. It's just nice. To me, it's just very, very nice. It's very, very nice. It's very nice. Very nice. Really and truly, this will be a perfect entry here. This is more of a confirmation right here, right? But you know, I got in a bit early, and it still worked out. It still made sense to me. You know, still made sense. This was, yeah. But yeah. This is the trade that I got in. You know, it's just market structure for people that's beginners or like whatever. I'll be so real. I'm not explaining what trend it is and how to identify a trend. I'm not good at explanations. You probably will hear hella starring in this. I might have to cut a lot of things out because my starring is bad. I'm not good at explaining, but I try to explain. If people know how to trade, this is the way to trade, bro. Just trade like this. Normal market structure. Normal. Just literally high highs, high lows, lower highs, lower lows. Like literally. Like, okay, let me explain it one more time because I wanna try explain it properly, right? Cool. To identify a trend. To identify a trend. High, low, high, 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 low, high, high. That's a bullish trend. What did price do? Reject hard. But it doesn't mean this is bearish. It's just rejecting, right? Price, there's a lot of sellers at this point that's pushing price down, but it's still respecting the trend. What confirmed it? Price made a lower high. So where did price make a lower high to make this low? From here. So we know from here, price, from here, there's a lot of sellers at this point that's pushing gold down. That's pushing silver down, and it's pushing very hard. So when it push all the way down here, there's a lot of buyers at this point. Let me mark it out for you guys. So from here, from the closure, try cover as much of the wick as possible. From here, from this point, you know there's price is pushing. Okay. From here, we know that there's a lot of buyers at this point, so it's pushing price up, pushing silver up, right? Then it pushed it down but it still respected a lower high, right? It's still. I'm confusing myself. I'm actually confusing myself. But let me start again. Okay, from here, price been pushed down because there's a lot of sellers at this point that pushed it all the way down here, which is the low, the new low from this point. So this is a lower low, and now this is confirmed as a lower high. So it's pushed price all the way down. But you can see from here, it's still respecting this high right here, right? It's still respecting the high that pushed price all the way up here. So it's not really, yes, it's bearish signs, but it's not confirming the trend of it's bearish, right? So price is doing all of this, right? Pushing price all the way up here. Because if you go on the daily, if we just go on the daily, yeah, we can see that price pushed all the way down here, but it's just making a lower high. So it's not confirming that the trend is over, right? Wait, let me turn this off. Okay, can see from this point, push price all the way up here from here. So there's a lot of buyers at this point. So it's made a high, then a low, and it's consolidating around this area. And now it's making a high, 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 low, high, high. So the trend is changing and it's going back up. Or the daily candle is now making another high. So it's making a high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Now it broke past this point, indicating above this level right here, there's a lot of buyers. But this is just on the 1 hour. This is just confirming, showing like the correction and everything. So if we go on the 4 hour, it's just literally price. It's just making it made a high here, then a low, then it's consolidating for some time. Then it made another high here, then it made a low to make another high. Simple as that. Simple. You're following the 4 hour, the bigger time frame trend, using the lower time frame to confirm it, right? You're using the lower time frame to confirm it, making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's pushing price down, but this is just the correction. This is just the pullback of the bigger time frame. So you're waiting for a change of direction, but you want to wait till it breaks this level, because this is on the higher time frame. So there's more of a chance where you should get out from this point, or like price would be pushed down. So if you're waiting and it pushes up, you're just waiting for the 4 hour to make another high. So what you do, you just wait. Yeah, you just literally wait for this to be broken. You don't wait for candle closes. You just wait for it to be broken at a volatile time. So it could be from the New York time, or London session, or even Asian session. I call this trade on Asian session. Like, I'll be so real. Gold and silver on Asian session. Fuck. Wow. I can't say that shit properly. Asian session. Yeah. I caught that trade on that session. But yeah, and bro, it banged. You feel me? It banged. But you know, that's the best way I can explain it. Hopefully that you guys can actually understand it. Literally, like, I really hope I hope this video goes somewhere to someone. Please, the algorithm work for me, because I'm telling you, people that don't, you know what I'm saying, that trade ICT and fucking supply and demand, and bro, I trade all of that and none of that shit works. No fucking breakouts, no fucking all of that shit, fam. Well, it was sense of demand, bro. Every single time if I see a flipping dip, it's dipping to the end. Bro, it's peak. It's peak. The amount of bread I lost because of stupid ass. Bro, I'm literally just doing fucking what the chart's been doing from time. And no, I don't trade no Forex or anything like that. Forex is ass. It's ass. I tried trade USD JPY today. It was showing bearish structure. I was trying to catch the reversal, but it was just stalling, just going up and down the same place for time. I'm thinking, this is shit. So yeah, gold and silver, NAS 100, crypto. I haven't tapped. I tried to tap into crypto, but it's too volatile. It's too much. It's very volatile. Wick you out and then it will just go. NAS 100 is too. See, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's happening with NAS 100, but it's not been respecting the trend like that, really and truly. It hasn't been. It's been very, very weird. I don't know who. Yeah, it's been very weird. But yeah, man, I just trade gold and silver, to be honest. That's the best. And gold and silver, they're very similar. You know what I'm saying? If I'm buying gold, I can buy silver, and they're just going the same. But silver pays more on my broker. I ain't gonna lie, silver pays more, so I like trading silver because they pay more still. So more bread to be made. But yeah, that's the strategy I use. That is literally it. I hope you guys actually understand this. I really hope. I'm not gonna lie, I really hope. I do hope. But yeah, this is Yakes. This is Diary 4, I think. Yeah, Diary 4. Yeah, Diary 4. Um, yeah, how I hit 1.7K on a Monday. I'm gonna rest for the rest of the week. Just see how the market plays out. It'll probably start blowing. I'll be so real, but yeah, we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait still. For yeah, but yeah, man. This is Yakes, and I'm out.